Hi guys, today I'm going to review the Carpuride W903. So this is a multimedia screen for your existing vehicle. This features CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, and Android Cast. So this is a 9.3 inch screen. Also features mirror link, Bluetooth 5. Also includes a micro SD card. You can hook up a rear view camera as optional. You can plug in auxiliary or you go through your FM. That's to play the audio. And this is from Carpuride's website. So the W903 has, which is a cool function, a front camera, which is also a DVR. So it's like a dash cam. So you can see here in the picture, you can rotate it. You can also move it up and down. So really innovative feature. There you can see the 64 gig included micro SD card. And you can of course use Siri or Google to activate just via CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also use different apps through those apps, such as Apple Maps, Waze, Google Maps, etc. Here you can see some other pictures of the unit. Type C for input through the cigarette lighter adapter. Different ways to mount it. There you can see the 9.3 inch IPS screen. There's the different mounts. Installs in 5 minutes or less, and also saves you from taking out the traditional head unit, the original one, and replacing it. So this is a much easier option. There you can see some of the things included in the box, which we'll take a look of right now. Okay, so here's what you get in the box. So you have a 3.5mm audio jack. You have your power cable, which goes to the cigarette lighter. Here's the windshield mount, which is telescopic. And here's your sticky mount, and also your manual. And the micro SD card only records the video from the dash cam. It does not import videos or play videos or music from the card itself. So there's your 4 ways of getting sound. The built-in 8 ohm 2 watt speaker, Bluetooth, FM, and auxiliary. The screen also has auto brightness, shows you how to install the brackets, which we're going to get into, and also shows you how to hook up the rear camera if your car already has one. And you have 30 days of after-sales service and a 2-year warranty. And it also stresses on the screen for the camera, 350-degree adjustment. Please be cautious not to make large adjustments to avoid causing the camera cable or disconnect or become loose. So just be careful when using the camera and rotating it, and also lifting it up and down. So let's get this screen mounted and show you how it looks and also how it works. Okay, so here I am inside my Subaru hatchback, just looking for the best way to mount the Carpuride screen. So I have it on the mount here, where it would just stick on the bottom. So I could have it coming off the windshield. So let's see how that looks first. Here's also a closer look at the screen. So we're going to take off this little. I think I'll leave the one in the front just as almost like a screen protector. This also has a speaker and a mic. And here you can see the ports that I was trying to show you before. So the Type C, the AV in for an external camera. There's your micro SD for recording from the camera here. And then your audio out, the 3.5. And here's a closer look at the windshield mount. So you have your suction cup here. That's your release. And then you can also pivot this and telescope this. And this also swivels. So all you do is snap this onto the back of the screen, like that. And then we'll tighten this up. So that would be the windshield mount. So it doesn't look bad, but I just don't like the part sticking out in the back. I think it'd be a little bit cleaner if I just stick it on here. So let's try that as well. So here I'm just going to stick this on the back, like so, and then you can still adjust this slightly. So you can go up and down. I think I almost like the looks of that better. Then I have access to my cigarette lighter adapter right here. So let's try that. So I have the screen all mounted here, so I'm going to show you how quickly it boots up. So I'm just going to turn the accessory on the car so you can see it's on. There you go, Carpuride. There we go. So maybe 5 seconds and it's already recording. So you can use your dash cam right away and you can adjust that. And because it's recording right away, you just go here to playback, and then you can look at your videos. So video, and there it is. So super simple. You have the micro SD card, which you could also take out, put on your computer. It's time stamped, so if you have any incident, you can send that in. So awesome option. And here I'm just going to show you how to get audio through here. So we'll just do audio output and Bluetooth. Just go to your Bluetooth settings. There it is, Carpuride Bluetooth. Pair. Allow. And now you're connected via Bluetooth. Okay, and then now that we're connected, I'll just play audio from my video here.
Your money. Let's go.
So this is the internal speaker. Hard to judge sound on video, but it's not bad.
First off, what's in the box? So obviously the star of the show is a projector, and this is actually a work of art. It's a beautiful projector system.
Better than that, I would say, is to connect it to your stereo via FM. So you just go to that same station.
Pretty cool. Just gives it some color. That's the front of the projector.
And you have much better sound. Or if your deck has Bluetooth, you can do that. That's the best option. Or auxiliary, that's another option. Okay, and then I'll also show you if you do want to do AirPlay, which is kind of a rare feature. We have a newer vehicle, our other vehicle, and it doesn't even have this feature. So for AirPlay, it simply tells you exactly what to do when you click on these. So AirPlay, switch to AirPlay mode, confirm. So now we're just going to look for AirPlay on our connection. This will be under Wi-Fi, so there it is. There's your password. Now we go smart screen mirroring. And there you go. So it's mirrored. Now let's try a video. Let's do that same one.
Hi guys, Kevin.
And there it is. And playing through the FM is still a great option. So pretty cool to watch YouTube and the screen in your car. And let's also show you CarPlay, which is super simple and wireless. So CarPlay, confirm. There you go, just connect Bluetooth. So again, Carpuride Bluetooth connected. And there you go. And that's how easy it is for CarPlay. And works really well and looks great on this big screen. So I'm going to show you a really nice feature when you have Bluetooth set up already on the Carpuride. Then you can actually just turn on your vehicle and the screen's going to turn on. It's going to start recording the dash cam, which is great. And also it's going to just jump into CarPlay. So since your phone is set up with it already, I'm going to show you. So start the car. Carpuride on the screen. So it says the TF card is loading, successful, and it's now recording. And there you go, you're right into CarPlay. So great feature. So overall, I think this Carpuride screen is a great option, especially for a vehicle like mine where it just doesn't have the options. You know, you could change the head unit, etc., but this is such a simple way. Takes maybe 5 minutes to install. Great option, bright screen, even in daylight. The sound when connected to the FM is, I think, the best option. It sounds great. Having the Bluetooth audio is excellent. Having the Android Auto or CarPlay is a game changer. And just to see how fast it is, you can see how fast it just went into there. The one niggle is the internal microphone. So if you take a call, let's say on CarPlay, is a little quiet, so people have a hard time hearing me. So I just have to talk louder or talk closer to the Carpuride. Otherwise, I don't really have any negatives. I've been using it for weeks now. Excellent screen. I think you'll be very happy with this if you get it. Nice bright colors. Great option. Get yours today. Links below. And thank you, Carpuride, for sending this to me. I feel like I would have bought this anyway. I've been looking at these things for a while, and now to have one, I wish I would have got this much sooner. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.